Hi you all. I'm Jukka from Team Fluent. Team Fluent is a research-based, easy-to-use mobile tool for developing team working skills together in real-life situations at workplaces. Team Fluent improves team performance and psychological safety by driving better collaboration and communication. Linking to the clear megatrend of soft skills, we are solving two problems. First, poor teamwork costs money. Second, there are no scalable learning tools on the market to enable the team leaders to facilitate development of these skills within their teams. And these skills are pretty damn hard to learn by reading books or practicing individually in front of a mirror. With Team Fluent, the teams can tailor the experience for their team by selecting the most important skill from an evidence-based repository. Evaluate team behavior repeatedly in real collaboration situations. Reflect on strengths and weaknesses of their team practices. Benchmark their team, either internally or externally, against other teams. And learn and improve through receiving concrete development advice and practical exercises. Better teamwork brings multi-level benefits, such as better employer brand and reduced churn, higher team performance, and more engaging work environment. Scientifically robust, lean and scalable, for all kinds of teams, advice and benchmarking, continuous and goal-driven. All these value-creating attributes basically mean that Team Fluent brings together the best of both worlds. Combining elements from scalable, low-cost pulse surveys with in-depth reflection and concrete development advice previously available only through a team coaching process. We're currently piloting with paying customers, where we got some good feedback and key learnings which we are embedding in the product as we speak. Our business model is a simple SaaS based on license subscription. We have started in Finland and are currently improving the product and extending our sales efforts. Our North Star is to reach 100 plus corporate customers in 2022. On top of our brilliant core team, we also want to maintain our strong science connection as the co-founders and university professors Auli and Tomi are actively involved in further development of the product. Round size 200K, of which soft committed approximately 10K so far. To summarize, we have great data on different teams. We have MVP with feedback. We had good customer traction. Next, we need to finalize the product to match the market and scale up our sales. Thank you. Good to be back.
Perfect. So actually, I have a question regarding the validation of your idea. And how did you guys have a proof that your solution is increasing effectivity? How did you measure that?
Basically, there's an audit trail from research from Google. They did a huge research in 2016 called Project Aristotle, basically saying that teams which possess these kind of or demonstrate these kind of behaviors are proven to be more effective and more innovative and more profitable. In turn, our solution, then we can prove that using Team Fluent improves those behaviors over time, and that can be seen through the tool as well.
Thank you.
I can go next. So I hope I don't ask the same question because the line was really bad. You mentioned your science-based. Could you just briefly explain what that is?
Sure. Good question. Teamfluent is a spin-out of University of Helsinki, thus being founded on a 3-year research project, a really extensive multidisciplinary research project on team competencies. So the framework we have, including the competencies in the tool, the development tips, that library, and the survey items are all thoroughly scientifically developed and validated.
Okay, we have time for just one more question.
Thank you. Maybe I think it would be super helpful for us actually to see the product, and it's much easier for us to grasp what it is and how you are different than other products in the same space. But maybe my question is a little bit more on the market side, on the scaling side. How can you build a 10 million business at least? How many customers do you need, and how you're going to sell to them? As in, direct sales is probably not very scalable way for you to go forward with.
Absolutely. I mean, definitely we have to start with direct sales, but going towards the next round and after having our first 100 plus corporate customers, we'll definitely start tweaking the product towards product-led growth. So potentially we'll be giving it out for free with a limited set of features, creating this push mechanism from team leaders upwards in the organization towards the gatekeepers, HR, for example. Team leaders saying that, hey, I've used this for my team, I paid with it for my own credit card. Why cannot we have this for every team in our own company?